everybody, welcome to Universal Live. In today's video we're going to be looking at some of the strangest anomalies. These will be mostly, if not all, images that were taken by the Mars rovers. So we're just going to have a look at them and I'll try and point out if I think they're bollocks or if I think there's a bit of truth to them. There are some really good images, so yeah, let's have a look together and see what we think. Okay, so the first image we got was taken by the Mars Curiosity rover, and it shows this really strange object here. Zoom in that. That is a strange object. A lot of people were saying it's like a tree or something. I mean, I could see where they're coming from, but I think there's a bit of a better explanation. Another thing people were saying is it's a crack in the rock, which I don't see. If it was a crack, it would have ended there. But it's actually going into the sand and into the ground. It's got like a little impact crater as well, so I don't really see that. The best explanation I could see for it was a fulgurite. I knew I wouldn't be able to say that word. I was just looking at it. It's a fulgurite, which is when lightning hits the ground and forms these really strange shapes. If we go over to Google. So here's some examples of fulgurites. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that correct. And where's a good example? Like maybe something like that. So this is where lightning has hit the ground and it forms these really crazy shapes. And I think that's what we're looking at here. I mean, I could be completely wrong. I mean, it's not really. This one's got a proper impact crater around it. Got to be some good examples. I think it's close enough. It's definitely the best explanation I can find. See, that one hasn't got an impact crater, and that's sand. And I'm guessing this is like sand as well. I think that's what we're looking at here. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely a strange anomaly, though. Like, it's just a bit annoying. But if NASA takes these pictures, couldn't they just make the effort just to go that little bit extra, snap a picture from here? Because as it is at the moment, that's like open to interpretation, isn't it? It's definitely out of place and it's definitely not a rock, but it could be one of those fluorites. Okay, so this next one again is from the Mars Curiosity rover. Links in the description. In the bottom right here you can see this really strange, almost face looking rock. Now with all these images, it could be a trick of lighting, shadows. You know, you always get like these optical illusions that make you see faces and stuff. I have to admit, this one is really strange. You can see there's a nose, an eye and a mouth, and it's like half the face, the rest is you know, buried. So is this a leftover statue? A destroyed statue? If you cut it out and slightly enhance it, you can actually see it a little bit better. It is pretty freaky. It's like a humanoid alien statue left over from the lost civilization on Mars. Definitely is a strange one. But like I said, you know, all of this stuff can be a trick of the eye. The way the shadows falling on the rock, the way the lights falling on the rock, causing the shadows. I like this one. That's convincing for me. I like this one. There's loads of stuff like this. In fact, now, so you don't have to hear my voice babbling on, I'll put a little slideshow of anomalies that are similar to this, like little rocks that look like they could possibly be statues and stuff like that.